Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. And once again, hi you guys, welcome back to my video. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And why can't I do this today? Oh my gosh. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another makeup tutorial. If this is your first video you've ever watched of mine, hello, my name is Lonyea, and in today's video, once again, we're doing a makeup tutorial. We're going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. We're going to be doing like a lime green smoky eye, hence the nails. I am all about green, lime green, neon yellow, neon green. I'm just all about that right now. Like, the neon colors are just giving me life. This video is in partnership with Moda brushes. It's a sponsored video. Thank you so much to Moda for sponsoring this video. We're going to be using their brushes once again, and we're just going to go ahead and get started because this is a pretty simple, fairly easy look. It's pretty much just one shadow and some glitter, so we're going to make it pretty easy. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to prime my lid. I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in D40. This is my favorite way to prime, conceal, anything like that. Whenever you're going in with eyeshadow, you want to make sure that you have an eyeshadow base, whether it's an actual base, concealer, a primer, whatever it may be. They all do the same thing where the eyeshadow sticks and grabs onto the primer. So I'm going to use this Moda brush. This is out of their electric brush set. It looks like this. It's a rounded, kind of like kabuki brush. I like to use this brush to blend out concealer for my eyeballs. You can also use this underneath of your eyes. You can use this to contour your nose. You can use this to set your eyeshadow. You can use this for a lot of different things. That's the fun thing with brushes. A lot of the brushes have multiple uses, and you can just use them for different things. So I am going to use it to prime my lid and spread out my concealer. So now that I have everything pretty smoothed out, I'm going to go straight in with eyeshadow. I'm just making sure that everything is nice and blended. I'm not going to set this down like I usually do because I'm using a pressed pigment out of the James Charles Morphe Brushes palette, and I don't want it to be set down so that way the saturation and the pigmentation is really like popping. So I'm going to take the shade Social Blade, which is a lime green, right down here, and I'm going to pack this all over the lid and all over the crease. Let me find my brush. There's a couple of brushes that I'm probably going to use. So this is from their gold collection. Looks like this. I think I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush. This is the M19. I think I'm going to use this brush first and just go directly into it and just kind of pat it everywhere. I'm going to start on my lid and then just pack it into the crease. And I'm going to make sure that I cover my entire lid with this color. The last time I did a look like this, I didn't cover my entire lid, and I kind of regretted it. Although I'm going in with glitter, and glitter is a little more thick and chunky than a like glitter eyeshadow, a liquid glitter eyeshadow, I still want to not make that same mistake again. So I'm going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm going to start building this up into the crease because this is literally like a two eyeshadow look. Like, it's just so simple, and I love doing this look because you can literally do it with any color. You can just blow it out and just pack it on and just really make this like nice and poppin'. So now I'm going to take it on the tip of this M19 brush, and I'm going to start working this into the crease. So this is going to kind of be like my flat shader brush, but also my blending brush, kind of like an E25 type style, or an Morphe M441, and just start to blend this out. Now this can be just as blocky as it is right now, or we can blend it out more. It could kind of just be whatever you want. It doesn't really, I don't want to say like there aren't any rules, but it's really not, so. I actually think it's kind of cool how it is right now. So just because I feel like I need to blend it out just a tad bit, I'm going to use Code James right in the middle. And this is just going to be a transition shade. I'm going to use a Moda crease brush. This is an M16. so it's just a little more fluffy. Just tap off the excess, and this is just going to go in the upper crease. Okay, guys, so I think I have this as blended as I'm going to get it at the moment. Right now I'm just kind of rubbing it on the side of the brush, just like up in the upper crease area. And I'm going to apply some glitter. So this is just, this look, I just love doing these looks, and I just love this bright green eyeshadow. So I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer with this glitter I just got. This is like a craft glitter I got from Walmart. And I'm going to take a small shader brush. This is an M14 from Moda brushes as well. And I'm going to pack this glitter primer all over. I really like this small shader brush. I love the size of it as opposed to the M19. It's a little larger. And I'm going to pack it all over the lid. And kind of like out in the outer edge as well, just kind of like all over the lid space, also bringing it up into the crease. And then we're going to pack this glitter on as well. Oh shoot, I just dropped that. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to take a little bit of, oh, what shade is this? I think it's Ring Light in this palette, and just use the smudge, great. Use the smudge brush out of the palette, or out of the electric, ooh, look at that, oh yes, out of the electric brush set, and I'm going to pop this underneath of the brow bone for a highlight. This look is crazy, but I think it's gonna be my favorite because I think it's just so crazy. Like I said, I'm gonna pop on some more lashes. I think I'm gonna pop on Hypnotize, which are the 25mm lashes, the really long ones, and then do my face, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to take this lime green. This is a NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner pencil. I don't know if they still sell these, but this is in green papaya. I'm just going to pop this into the waterline. And we're just lime greened out. We're just doing it. Okay, so I'm going to take the same green shade and I'm going to take it on the same lime green smudge brush. It's funny because you can't even see the eyeshadow on the brush because it's so lime green. And I'm just going to put this on the lower lash line. I'm really hoping that this sticks because I did set down my concealer and I know that it doesn't usually stick to concealer that has been set down. At least, what color was that? The pink didn't really do it very well. Like, I can't blend it out. I can pack it on, but I can't really blend it out. But it's looking like it's going on. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and applied mascara. The last and final step, I'm going to use the shade Butterfly from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to use this. This is a pointed liner brush, but I'm going to use it for the inner corner. This is an M17 brush, and just pop it into the inner corner. This is a Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow brush, and I just absolutely love it. So, oh. Okay, don't do what I just did. Okay, you guys, so for lips, I'm going to use my Cork lip liner from MAC. It's just a brown lip liner. And I'm just going to line my lips. And then for gloss, I'm going to use Lust, which is also a MAC gloss. I think this one's discontinued as well. But it's like a peachy kind of nude color. I don't know how I like the lip color. I think it might be a little too peachy for me. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my description box, which will have the link to all of my favorite brushes by Moda, and also the 20% off coupon, which is Lonyea, that you can just use for 20% off on all of my favorite brushes, or just any brushes on the website, whatever it may be. And don't forget to check out the electric brush palette, or electric brush kit. Sorry, I can't even talk. The electric brush kit, and also the gold and silver collection. I really like those collections. The bronze collection is really cool as well, because they have like the flat top kabuki brushes, and also the round top kabuki brush that I use for foundation. But I mean, any of them. Just check them all out. I really love them. They also have some brush sets as well. And I think that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye.